Alright, the last step will be to make the camera of our player to be in the first-person mode. Cause as I said, we can use the script, the player controller script for both. We are first-person and first-person games, but since we are doing first-person shooter, in this course we will change it, and we will use trick that we used before. We only need to change the position of the player's viewpoint basically, and for that I will just drag and drop my main camera into the player game object, so let's drag and drop. And now main camera is child of this player. Now we can go in DC mode, and only thing that you should consider is to position the camera now in the correct direction. Cause our player doesn't have any eyes right now. But well, we should consider that our player has eyes here on the Z direction, on this blue arrow, because Unity. As I said, this blue arrow is considered to be forward direction. So we will take main camera first. Let's change rotation to be 0, 0, 0 because we don't want rotation. Let's take it like this, the forward. Let's take little bit down A for example like this. Let's go in the game wheel, and yeah, I think it will be alright. Let's try to position it in the center of our capsule. Right here will be fine, I think. Let's now copy this component of transform. So we will select main camera. We will click on this 3-dot copy components, and we will select player. We'll point. We'll click 3 dots and paste component values. And now, we will take this main camera out of our player. So we'll drag it, drop it outside of the player. And now, we could play, we will be able to see that. Now, we have the first-person movement. We can jump, we can move, and stuff like that. Okay, everything is working, and we are ready to go and continue our course and implement our shooting mechanics, which we will do in the next section. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.